Hey little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's practice is full of playful moves and calm breaths to make you feel strong and happy. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin.
Blackthorn's iron heart, hey, watch us tear it apart. One step, don't look back. One step, don't look back. Bang, war. Step in the mud, silver on my boots. Cutting through the dark, pulling up the roots. Vines try to grab, but I'm too fast. Built like a weapon made to last. Ancient curse, yeah, I heard the talk. Watch how I walk, watch how I rock. Nothing in this wood can slow my pace. I'm the queen of this haunted space. The air is getting cold, the power's getting bold. I see the center, see the prize. Look at the fire inside my eyes. I'm taking the fire. Vanguard, break the lock, take the crown. Vanguard, we don't stop, we don't go down. Hey, hey, pick up the artifact, feel the heat. Hey, hey, the whole world is at our feet. Vanguard, yeah, we got the power now. Talk is cheap, magic is deep. I don't play for keeps, I play to sweep. Shatter the stone, claim the throne. Better leave me and my girls alone. Heavy metal weight in my palm. In the outer storms, I stay calm. Did you think I'd break? No. Did you think I'd shake? No. The air is getting cold, the power's getting bold. I see the center, see the prize. Look at the fire inside my eyes. I'm taking the fire. One touch, the sky turns red. Forget everything they ever said. I'm the savior, I'm the spark, blazing a trail right through the dark. Vanguard, break the lock, take the crown. Vanguard, we don't stop, we don't go down. Go